I made a couple additional 6-tube racks in a much lighter configuration and with additional spacing. And if I compare that, it weighs 5 pounds less than my original racks. Years ago, I built some 5-tube racks, mostly out of wood that I had available, and some of that wood was pretty heavy. As I put some of these racks together in end boards, like shown in this picture, it becomes very heavy. I weighed one of my original racks, and it weighed with 5 tubes in it just over 18 pounds. That's pretty hefty. Just before this past 4th of July, on the 3rd, I made a couple additional 6-tube racks in a much lighter configuration and with additional spacing. And if I compare that, it weighs 5 pounds less than my original racks. So this morning I assembled 6 more of these 6-tube racks that are much lighter, scrapping some of my old racks. And here's just a quick high-speed video showing the assembly of the rack. There you go. There's my approach for a 6-tube rack that's going to be a lot lighter for me compared to what I had in the past. The 6 tubes will also be nice because it's a common denominator for most consumer packs, as well as rails for many firing systems.